Millions time, cash, we wasn't wrong, yeah. I took a backstage, yeah, she came along. I took a backstage, yeah, she came along.
Review, and fresh out.
Yeah, I've seen the mighty rise, I've seen some mighty fall, and I've been through my fear of bullshit. I started to take a toll. Remember, I was never meant to stand a chance at all, yeah. Been one hell of a trip, climbing up the wall. I'll be honest, a little brutally, and I'm not making friends like usually. Say something stupid, act stupid. Just when my mother's words starting to get through to me. How I got cheap credit goes to getting those. The blisters on my knuckles off from knocking doors. Good deeds, they won't mention those. Enough with the I got you whipping up your nose. So please don't base your decisions on my opinion. First listen to the rest of it. You ask but then cannot handle my opinion. Then why the fucking waste of it, yeah. Smooth on me, beast. Don't sleep on your greatness. Where's the called? Hombre, your fans have been waiting this. Kept it honest, show love, they still gave me fakeness. Yeah, I know people not applauding for me, they're gon' hate. So fuck the plan B. Yeah, lazy on the couch, them and that is not me. Waiting for handout, that is not me. Tell them fuck the plan B. Yeah, I am invested and I am all in. My team asking what will it be. Tell them fuck the plan B. Be that nobody, never counted nobody. So please stop pretending like we old buddies. Trim the weight off like my old body. And these old relationships I've gotten all muddy. And you don't have to take my word for it. You don't consider my actions. Don't adapt me having to explain for it. Oh, there's no satisfaction. Under the radar, we never boastful. Fuck ups, but you're not remorseful. Still have faith in somewhat a young hopeful. Patience, hard work, part of it also. Yeah, so I took the risks to live out a dream. Took losses to make up a win. Took nobody, built up a team. And that should answer questions where we fucking been. Everyone posted, beast. Don't sleep on the greatness. Jam code, hombre. Your fans have been waiting this. Kept it honest, show love, they still gave me fake.